I welcome you into our brand new house. So this is the entrance to our beautiful house in Lekki. So you guys follow me, let me show you what the inside is like. Okay, you guys, welcome you to our brand new house. So you have this beautiful wall art. So this is the walk-in, and this is a staircase, and this is the living room. Everybody, can you guys see the lights? I love this lighting. And up here, close the light. I've been waiting for them to on light so that we'll just bring everybody inside. But you guys are finally inside our new house. I know a lot of people have been waiting. You guys have been waiting for me to show you guys what the inside is like. Okay. Chemeka, come, baby. Come. He's going back outside. So this is the living room, you guys. How do you see our house?
Beautiful.
Chemeka, don't look. I don't want you to go outside. This is toilet. Downstairs toilet.
The guest toilet.
Yeah, guest toilet. So the cleaners are upstairs. They are cleaning the house. This is what we'll have for now. So this is a guest toilet, and here, but let me show you. Have you seen the whole? Have you seen the whole living room? I just brought this thing out. I like this. And I like this mirror. Yes, baby girl. And we have this beautiful thing down here. Oh, well, they did a lot of architectural, beautiful design in this house. Look at the steps. Only the staircase is giving 100 over 100 minus nothing. Look at the staircase. It's not regular. It's just so beautiful. And the lighting that goes from here upstairs. Can you guys just tell me that this is 100 over 100 minus nothing for me? I don't know what some of you think, but I just love everything about this house. Okay.
Daddy, where's down this house?
Did you see? Sorry, baby girl.
Mom, look, what's down
This is the view. Yes, baby girl. Mama, I'm coming. I just like everything. So this is the up. And you see down. And you see the entrance that Chemeka is trying to run outside again. Nobody is outside to stay there with you. Come back. And